Okay, so so this module here is one that is not scheduled to run at the moment. So if we want to add sessions to it, we'd have to click this button which says add an instance, and then we'd have to know the start date. So do you know the start date, Francis?
Yes, that is the 28th of September 2020.
Okay, and these it takes a variety of date formats, but the most reliable one is to do year, month, day.
Yeah.
And then that is in academic year 2020. And do you know the leader?
Yeah, Mary O'Toole.
Okay. We don't have to fill that in yet, but and then it's just a regular module, so there's no changes to the prep time or anything like that. We just
No, just leave it for now.
so that's set up now. So do you remember how if you wanted to add a session to it, if you downloaded Excel from another module and wanted to re-upload it, you know, to change the session, to copy those sessions into this module, you would use that identifier there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you would delete the ID column in the Excel, and that would, when you re-uploaded it, if the module delivery ID was set to that, and if the ID column was blank, then it would copy all of those rows into this module.
Yeah.